Hello friends, I am Gupta. I am going to make you understand the illustration number 6 of CMA Final SFM, Strategic Financial Management. This is the illustration from Portfolio Management. Please read the question. This is one of the most important illustration, and this illustration is based on the assumptions. Illustration number 6. What is the illustration? An investor has two portfolio known to be minimum variance for set of the population of three securities RST below mentioned weights: portfolio X, portfolio Y, security R 30%, security S 40%, security T 30%. For portfolio Y, 20% R, 50% S, and 30% T. It is supposed that there are no restriction in short sale. If you need, then you can short sale also. What would be your weights in each of the portfolio constructed by the investing? 6,000 in a portfolio X and 4,000 in portfolio Y. You have to find weight of X and Y portfolio. Security of weight of security invested in a security R, S and T. If you are going to invest 6,000 rupees in portfolio X and 4,000 rupees in portfolio Y, then what will be investment? What will be the weights of security R, security S and security T? Now you have to calculate the total amount of investment here. Total amount of investment in security X, security Y. Look at it. What is the amount? That is 6,000 in X and 4,000 in Y. Rupees 6,000, rupees 4,000. Total amount of investment. Rupees 10,000. Now, calculation of amount investment in securities RST. Which one security? What is the RST? R, S and T. Security R, S and T. Portfolio X. Portfolio X. In portfolio X, that is a security, not security, this is a portfolio. This is a portfolio. Portfolio X, portfolio Y. $6,000. What are the weights? Look at it. 30%, 40%, 30%. 30% of 6,000, 40% of 6,000, 30% of 6,000. This is 1,800, 2,400, 1,800. Portfolio Y, that is 4%. What are the weights? 20%, 50%, 30%. 20% of 4,000, 50% of 4,000, 30% of 4,000. This is 800. This is 800. 20%. 20% of which 4,000. 800. 2,000. This is 1,200. Total amount invested. Total amount. This is 2,600. This is 2,600. This is 4,400. This is 3,000. Okay. Weights. Weight we need to calculate. Look at it. Total amount you had 10,000. Total investment amount you had 10,000. Then 2,600 out of 10,000. This is 0.26. 4,400 out of 10,000. This is 0.44. 3,000 out of 10,000. This is 0.30. So this is the weight you have invested that was asking your question. The sum of weight is 1. Sum of weight equal to 1. This is proved here. 0.26, 0.44, 0.30. This is the 1. Okay. In next cases, this was the very simplest part. In next part, the part B is asking here. The part B, answer of part B. Look at it. Suppose the investor invest 5,000 out of 10,000 in security R. In security R. This is the 5,000 out of 10,000. It means weight of R will be 5,000 out of 10,000 you have invested in security 50%. How he will allocate the balance between security S and T, ensure his portfolio on minimum variance set. On minimum variance set, you must have to keep in mind on minimum variance set. In this case, you can calculate it and you can find it with the help of critical path. You can find it with the help of critical path or critical line, and solving the equation you will get the value of M and C. And please try to understand, this can be solved on the basis of direct and as well as a line, critical line. The critical line, how it is made, critical line, look at here. Answer of B part, we have to make critical line Y equal to mx plus c. The weight of R we know. We have to find weight of S and weight of T. In this case, critical line we have to find critical line. And that critical line is weight of S equal to weight of S equal to, you have to write weight of S equal to weight of R, weight of S equal to weight of R critical line, weight of S equal to weight of R and M weight of R plus C. This is a critical line, and on the basis of this you will calculate weight of S. After finding weight of S and weight of R is already given 0.5, after finding weight of S you can find the weight of T because of sum of the weight is 1. Now question is, how will you calculate the value of M and C? These value is calculated as per given information, as per given informations. What are the information you have? What are the information you have? Please look at it. Portfolio X. Portfolio X. Look at it. When weight of S equal to 0.4, 0.4, M weight of R. What is the weight of R? 0.3 into 0.30 plus A. This is the equation assumed first. Similarly, portfolio Y, this is 0.4. In the case of S, this is 0.5. When this is 0.5, M, portfolio Y has weight R has 0.20 plus C. Using these two equations, solving this equation, you can find the value of M and C. Now, after finding value of M and C, you can find the relations. This one equation you can get here. Okay, after finding the equation, you can find the weight of S. After finding weight of S, you can find weight of R. This is the critical line. On the basis of critical line, I am going to solve the question. This question can be solved by watching these ratios. On the basis of the such ratio, we can find as well. Okay, look at it. Let us consider critical line. Let us consider critical line between portfolio X and portfolio Y. Critical line, look at it, critical line. Y equal to mx plus c. That is, weight S equal to M, weight R plus C. This is the equation first. Now portfolio X, from portfolio X, what can you observe? Weight S is 0.4, that equal to 0.30 M plus C. This is the equation second. Now portfolio Y, this is 0.50, this is 0.20 M plus C. Now you have to solve equation second and third. Solving equation second and third, subtract minus, minus, minus. You will get here 0.10 minus. Here 0.10 M plus 0, this is get cancelled, okay, or m equal to minus 0.10 divided by 0.10, this is the minus 1. After putting the value of minus 1 in equation second, you can get the value of C. Putting value of m equal to minus 1 in equation second. In equation second, 0.40, 0.40 equal to 0.30 m, 0.30 m plus c, m equal to minus 1, or 0.40, 0.30 into minus 1 plus c, or 0.40, when this come minus in this side, minus 0.30 plus c, or 0.40 plus 0.30 equal to c, this is 0.70, this is 0.70, okay. You have calculated the value of c. Now we have critical line. Critical line, what was the critical line we have? Weight S equal to m weight R plus c, or weight S equal to weight S, the value of m is minus 101, weight R, the value of c is 0.70. This is equation 4. This is equation 4. Okay. This is equation 4. Now, if weight of S equal to 0.5, weight of S equal to 0.5, then what will be the weight of R? In the given case, please try to understand here. We have amount to invest rupees 10,000. Amount invested in which one securities? Look at there. We have 10,000. Out of this 10,000, 5,000 is invested in R. 5,000 invested in R. 5,000 invested in, amount invested in R, rupees 5,000. Weight of R, that equal to 5,000 divided by 10,000, 0.50. Putting weight of R in equation, in this equation, equation 4. Equation 4. The equation 4 we have weight of S minus weight of R plus 0.70. This is 0.50 minus 0.70. This is a weight of S equal to 0.20. Now, sum of weight is 1. So weight R, weight S, weight T equal to 1. This is weight R 0.50, weight S 0.20, weight T we need to calculate, that is 1, or weight T equal to 1 minus 0.50 plus 0.20, 1 minus 0.30, that equal to 0.70, this equal to 0.30. This is the way of calculating weight by critical path. This is a way of calculating weight by the critical path. This question can be solved by trial and error method. How can you solve this question trial and error method? Please try to understand here. Look at here. By trial and error. How can you calculate by trial and error? Answer of part B. Please look at here. If y increases by 0.10, y decreases by 0.10. In this case, y increases by 0.10. It means reverse. If this decrease, then this going to increase. Okay. Now here 0.30 and now become, this is 0.5. It means going to increase by 0.20, by 0.20. Look at here. The weight of R going to increase by 0.20. Please try to understand. Weight of S. What is the relation? This is going to by reverse direction in the same amount. This is going to reverse direction in the same amount, opposite direction in the same amount. When R is going to decrease by 0.10, by 0.10 decrease, then weight of S is going to increase by 0.10, by 0.10. By same amount it is going to increase or decrease. By same amount it is going to opposite direction. By same amount it is going to opposite direction. Exactly. Existing the weight of R, S was 0.40. If this is increased by 0.20, because of it becomes 0.5. How this becomes 0.5? Because of 5,000 you have invested out of 10,000, that is 0.5. From 3, now weight is going to be 0.5. It means from 3 you have added 0.2. 0.3 plus 0.20, that is 0.5. Your weight is going to increase by 0.20. What is the relation between these weights? What is the relation between the weights? If here decrease, then this will increase. If this increase, then this will decrease. In this case, this will decrease. Then by same amount, this will decrease. Then new weights of S, when weight of R increase by 0.20, then weight of S decrease by 0.20 by the same amount, 0.40 minus 0.20, 0.20. That we had calculated here. If the weight of this is 0.5, then weight of this will be 0.20. If the weight is 0.5 here, 0.20 is here, of course 0.30 is here. Okay, this was the question we have come. This is the most important question. You must revise. There are two ways of doing the question. It is better to do by the critical path, not by the hit and trial method. Don't do by hit and trial method. Always do this question by using critical path. Okay, thank you class.